gusto niyo masubaybayan ang mga istorya ng sundalo ng bayan, paki-click ang like at subscribe at pindutin na rin ang notification bell. Andito ako sa aking quarters para ihanda ang aking uniforme para sa isang malaking event sa aking buhay militar. Ano yon? Ang Commission of Appointments Confirmation. Ayon ay ang pag-confirm sa aking rango bilang full colonel. Para sa aking CA confirmation, ang aming kasuotan ay isang formal na attire ng militar at kunin ko itong pagkakataon na ipakilala ko sa inyo ang uniforme na ito. Ito yung tinatawag na Army Blouse. Okay? So, kunting variation to doon sa yung tinatawag na General Office Attire na aming suot-suot, GOA. Okay? Ngunit, mayroong kaibahan, lalo na dito sa upper suit namin. Okay? So, ano yung Army Blouse? Ito basically ang pinaka-upper namin, no? Yan. So, para siyang suit, di ba? Parang Amerikana, pero military. Green. So, green, dahil kami ay Philippine Army. So, anong mga nakalagay dito para makita niyo? Okay? So, ito yung rango. Ito yung i-confirm mamaya sa Commission of Appointments. Ito yung rango. Pag 3 na araw, ang ibig sabihin ay full colonel. Pag 3 na araw. Pag isa, major, 2, lieutenant colonel, 3, full colonel. So, ang mga button, kita mo, ang button na ginagamit ay golden ang color. Tapos, mayroong emblem dyan ang Armed Forces of the Philippines. So, pag nilalagay yan, nakatayo. Nakatayo, dapat nakatayo. Yan, oops. Dito, nakatayo. Yan. So, ito may emblem. Yan, nakatayo. Ang ibig sabihin nito, infantry ako. Yan, nilalagay dyan. Infantry. Dito sa kaliwang side, dito nakalagay ang awards. Ha? Yan, awards. Ito, individual na awards. Dito yung unit awards. Individual, ibig sabihin, ibinigay sa akin bilang isang individual soldier. At dito yung unit awards. Yung ibinibigay sa unit mo. Okay? So, yan. Ikinakabit din dito yung aming mga schooling. Mga schooling namin. Okay? So, kung ano yung mga nadaanan mo na schooling. Kaya mga Scout Ranger course. Ito yung nakuha ko sa abroad, yung Australian Command and Staff course. Ito yun. Ito yung pangalan ko. Airborne. Marami ang iba. May mga kung ano-ano pa. Mga scuba diver. Screwdriver. Hindi, joke lang. Okay? So kagaya sa akin, ito, yan, yan ang mga schooling ko. PsyOps. Ito yung top soldiers. So, ibig sabihin, yung the outstanding Philippine soldiers, iyon. Okay? Ayan tops. The outstanding Philippine soldiers. Yan. Ito, of course, kilala nito. Musang. Musang. Ngayon, tingnan mo. Oops. Andiyan ang mga button. Dapat nakatayo ang mga button. Okay? Sa ilalim yan, of course, magsuot ng olive drab shirt. Okay? So, sa ilalim ng ating army blouse, long sleeve siya. So, parang yung sa general office attire, yun ay maikli. Dito, no? Short sleeve. Ito, long sleeves. Tapos, gagamitin natin ang necktie. Green necktie. Yung pantalon, same. Yung pantalon natin na ginagamit natin sa ating general office attire. At, yung tinatawag na lokat. Okay? So, iyan yung susuotin natin. Alright? So, ayan na yung ating kasuotan. Ito yung pang-ilalim. So, kulang pa to. Lumuwag yung aking uniforme. Bakit kaya? Lumaki ang aking uniforme? Lumaki? So, ito yung resulta ng IF. Low carb diet at saka exercise. Medyo lumuwag ang uniforme. Ano ba yan? Right. X. Ito yung sunod, tingnan nyo. So, inayos na natin yan kanina. Ito yung last, i-button na natin. Yan o. Oops. Merong 4 na button. Tapos, pupunta ka na sa salamin dahil dapat nakatayo yung mga button. Nakatayo. Okay? Tapos tatanggalan natin ng ano. Okay. So, ayan, inayos. Ha? Ayos ba? Pwede na ba tayo sa Commission of Appointments? Oo. Right. Okay. So, anong pagkakataon ay haharap ako sa Commission of Appointments pagkatapos na ako ay ma-appoint sa ranggo na Colonel. Ang ibig sabihin, ang ating presidente ang nag-appoint sa akin bilang Colonel ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. At nakasaad sa 1987 Constitution, Section 16, Article 7, na ang lahat na in-appoint ng ating presidente para sa certain position sa gobyerno, kasama na doon ang mga opisyal ng militar na may ranggo na full colonel o kaya yung katumbas nito sa Navy, yung captain, ay dapat i-confirm ng Commission of Appointments. Ang CA or Commission of Appointments ay isang constitutional body pero ang mga miyembro nito ay miyembro ng Congress. So mamaya matutunghayan ninyo ang aming pagharap sa Commission of Appointments. Titingnan nila ang aming mga papel. Kami ba ay karapat-dapat na maging lingkod bayan bilang full colonel at karapat-dapat ba kaming magpapatuloy sa aming serbisyo militar sa ating Armed Forces of the Philippines para pagsilbihan ang ating bayan. So, yan ang aktibidad ko sa araw na to. At isang karangalan para sa akin bilang nasa militar ang ma-confirm ng CA or Commission of Appointments ang ranggo. Dahil yon ay pagpapakita na ako ay karapat-dapat na mananilbihan bilang isang opisyal ng ating gobyerno. Papunta na kami ngayon sa Commission of Appointments. So, kailangan mag-ipon muna kami lahat. Pass na kami. Yan ang mga... Yun ang aming trip ngayong araw na ito.
Andito ba talagang pangalan? Tingnan natin. Oh,
Dalawa pa.
yan si Sergio B. Max at saka si General Mariano. Oops. Yan. Okay. Okay.
What will transpire for today. Welcome to the Philippine Senate. Nasa Senator Padilla room po tayo.
Ito yung pinagagawa habang nag-antay, oh. Kasi matagal pa eh. Matagal pa eh. Kaya ano, maghanap ng katuwaan. Videoan muna natin yung mga ano. Ito si Joe Carps. Kasabay ko itong mag-appear sa CA. Pero ito si Joe Carps noong 1992. Ako ay
Second class.
third year, second class. Siya ay plebo. Confused na plebo.
Abogado.
Ha?
Abogado, sabay batok.
Tapos yung pag makipag-usap, akala mo, sabi ko para kang abogado ah.
Halika nga dito.
Pero ngayon, astig ha, kapitan, colonel yan. Oo. So, ano bang pakiramdam ng mag-appear sa confirmation process sa CA? Kasabay mo pa squad leader mo?
Dalawa yung naramdaman ko, sir.
Dalawa. Isa bago ya.
Dalawa, sir.
Oh, ano yon?
Una,
Mixed feelings yun ah. Mixed feelings. Oh.
One is masaya.
Masaya. Anong
Kasi
nakapagpasaya?
nakasabay ko yung squad leader ko.
Pusang alam sa...
Oh, sir.
Oh, tapos?
Pangalawa, malungkot.
Malungkot, bakit?
Kasi nakasabay ko naman yung squad leader ko.
Ano naman nakakalungkot pag sabay mo squad leader mo?
Dapat nauna palagi
Ha?
ang squad leader.
O ganon?
Dapat nauna.
Oh, di ba? Sa table nga, ano nga, di ba? Mauna palagi. First, ano, no? First
Kaya
choice,
nga,
no?
mixed feelings, sir.
Ha?
Masaya, malungkot.
Malungkot.
Pero same reason.
Oh, pero kapag magtatanong mamaya, ikaw yung itutulak ko kasi...
All easy question.
Dito yung ano namin mamaya, confirmation.
Magandang umaga po to our esteemed members of the Commission Appointments, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are tasked to deliberate on the 49 ad interim appointments and one nomination of senior officers in the Armed Forces of the Philippines. That were submitted to the committee's jurisdiction for its consideration. Officers, please stand up as your name is called. The ad interim appointments of the following. Harold M. Kabunok, the rank of Colonel, Philippine Army. Colonel, the good setter, may question lang po sa inyo.
Colonel, I'd like to congratulate you. You have 240,000 followers in your Facebook account. Is that a personal Facebook page, or is that the Philippine Army's FB page?
That is my personal Facebook page that I started when I was the Army spokesman, sir.
And you are still continuing that Facebook page?
Yes, sir.
It was not one of those FB pages that were part of the cleansing of Facebook?
No, sir. I am authentic and I am sharing truthful information that can help the Armed Forces of the Philippines reach out to the public.
So I would not dwell with the current issues relative to General Parlades, because he was already restrained by Secretary Lorenzana. But in your personal opinion, is it rightful for the Philippine Army to have a separate page and officers such as you to have their own personal pages that would probably serve as a multiplier in disseminating information relative to what the government is currently doing? And I'm going forward to with the indulgence, if he's listening, Secretary Lorenzana, with what several movie actresses are, how they are reacting right now, because I used to handle the Metro Manila Film Festival, but I have never seen or heard from any military Facebook accounts on reactions coming from actors themselves who are members of the reserve force. I need not mention their names. So is it accurate? Is it proper and appropriate to have a separate Facebook account, separate from the organization, but linking up with what the organization is pronouncing? Your personal opinion, sir.
Yes, sir. In the military, we have a doctrine that says a commander is also a public affairs officer. It is our responsibility to tell the people what we are doing and to share correct information about the Armed Forces of the Philippines. And as a former commander, a staff officer, I feel it is also my obligation, using that principle, one message, many voices, that we should amplify the command message of the Armed Forces of the Philippines and even the strategic political messages of the government pertaining to national security. Thank you, sir.
I think in the days ahead, you might be the spokesperson of the Philippine Army.
I had been, sir, back in 2011.
When was that?
2011, sir.
So why were you transferred to another post? Promotion?
in 2013, I was designated as the chief of the civil relations group at GHQ, and it was an opportunity for me to explore more insights about the civil military operations activities of the armed forces of the Philippines.
I think that is all, Mr. Chairman. I really believe that uh, social media should not be restricted even by the mother organization of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. So as an individual, uh, as a military officer, I think you have all the right protected by the Constitution to speak your mind, but it has to be related to what the organization is pronouncing. There has uh, there has to be a limit. If you agree with me, with what you can say as part of the Philippine Army and what you can personally say, it has always to be in sync and lock in step with what the organization is saying. Do you agree with that?
That is correct, sir. We have a command message and we have to be aligned with that message. Secondly, we have to follow the rule of law, just like in the employment of force. Messaging can be harmful, and so we have to follow the rules and ensure that we share only the correct information that would help the public.
Thank you and congratulations for being one of the more popular graduates of class 94, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, sir.
So, in your personal opinion, Colonel Ragudo is here. I heard he was, ang dami nyo kasi, kaya hirap isa-isahin. Hindi ko na maintindihan, Mr. Chairman, kung paano ang kapal nitong folder natin. I think there is a member here of class 1992, Colonel Ragudo. Which is better, 94 or 92?
In the PMA, the upper class is always the best.
As mo, Colonel,
When we are alone, sir, we are the best.
kami ni Senator Bongo, class 1992 eh.
Yes, sir. The best class is
That will
92,
not
sir.
be taken against you. Again, I congratulate you for utilizing the social media in pronouncing some relevant statements for and behalf of the Philippine Army and the Armed Forces of the Philippines. So I have no further questions to Colonel Cabunok, Mr. Chair. I congratulate him for exercising his right to express under our Constitution and for being a savvy and techie user of our social media. Congratulations, Colonel Cabunok.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Senator Tolentino. And now we recognize Senator Lacson. After Senator Lacson,
Excuse me,
Senator
Senator
Amy
Cabunok.
Marcos po.
I have a follow-up question. Yes. Am I correct to assume that you opened your Facebook account while you were the head of the CMO of the Philippine Army?
When I
Colonel,
was,
before you answer, can you please at least pull down your mask para mas malinaw po.
Ito nga yata.
thanks, sir.
Sige, please answer.
Yes, sir. That was on October 22, 2011, when I was designated as the Army spokesperson.
Yeah. And you just maintained it kasi you were encouraged by the number of followers.
No, sir. I realized that it is very important for us. When I studied civil military operations, particularly public affairs, I realized that it is very important that every soldier should be empowered to tell their story and to share to the people what the Army is doing.
Yeah, I know. I'm just curious because in your present position as Chief Operations Research Center, medyo hindi na relevant yung Facebook postings and accounts mo. Directly, I mean. But of course, as you said, it is also the responsibility and obligation of each and every member of the armed forces to, express, provided it is not beyond what is being implemented or followed in the AFP as an
Yes,
organization. Thank you. That's all.
Representative Luis John IV Ferrer.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, Your Honors. This morning, your Committee on National Defense conducted a hearing to deliberate on the ad interim appointments and nomination of 50 senior officers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. All of them proved that they possess the fitness, competence, integrity, and other qualifications to hold the ranks to which they were appointed ad interim or nominated. Thus, your committee ruled to recommend to the plenary the confirmation of the ad interim appointments and for the commission to give its consent to the nomination of these senior officers. Mr. Chairman, may I then move that the commission gives its consent to the nomination and confirms the ad interim appointments of 50 senior officers in the Armed Forces of the Philippines, namely Juvimax R. Uy to the rank of Major General,
Any objection? Hearing none. Approved.
Vener Odilon D. Mariano to the rank of Major General,
Any objection? Hearing none. Approved.
Harold M. Kabunok, the rank of Colonel, Philippine Army,
Any objection? Hearing none. Approved.
Bago lang kami natapos. Kinabahan-kabahan kami dun ha. Mabuti, ha? Ako,
Ikaw tinanong eh.
oo nga eh. Medyo maraming humula na tanungin ako. Tinan mo, nagkatotoo tuloy. Pero, kinabahan ka ba? Kinabahan ako eh.
Okay, kinabahan ako na baka tawagin.
Baka tawagin. Ako, siyempre kinakabahan ako, baka tawagin, tinawag nga ako. Pero kahit pa paano, mayroon kong stock knowledge paano sagutin ng mga tanong.
Yan ang ibig sabihin yan. Iba na yung sikat. Tinatawag talaga.
Kapag ang aming maibahagi sa inyo, kapag kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa buhay, dapat kabisado mong sagutin kapag tanungin. Ha?
Saka magpakatotoo ka.
Magpakatotoo, huwag mong bula. Kasi malalaman nila eh. Anyway, so tapos na kami and papasalamat kami sa suporta ninyo. Lalo na mga kababayan. No? Kasi yung pagpunta namin sa CA, ang pagpatunay na nag-submit kami sa Civilian Authority. Ang Commission of Appointment is a constitutional body na siyang inatasan para i-confirm ang appointment ng mga officers ng armed forces mula sa ranggo na colonel, paap, at saka of course mga appointed positions gobyerno. Kaya nag-comply na kami ha. Si Colonel DY sama kami niyan. So, sige, maraming salamat. So ayan, katatapos namin sa aming CA confirmation. Ayan si Kakro, ang aking mista. Happy kami kasi tapos na at kami pauwi na. Oo. So kanina hindi maduro yung mga mukha namin kasi syempre nagkandara pa kami paano sagutin yung mga tanong ng mga members ng CA, ha? Pero anyway, happy kami lahat, tapos na. Okay, ang aming pagsubok, pag-commission of appointments. Ayos, okay.